Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video, we are going to see about how to implement the custom block provider in Flutter block architecture. And without any delay, let's get started. So in earlier, we used to be providing the block to our screen by using this. So if you provider like this, you won't be getting the object if you want to like access the block immediate after the creating of the after the providing of the block, you won't be able to get the block here just like here. So if I read the block here, it's a screen block. Okay, so if you try to access the block here immediate after the providing, so you won't be able to get the block here. Uh, so whereas the Flutter provider is used to do it in a different way, like value change notifier provider, it's like wrapping the child and it's just sending the child also. So then we can able to access the any view model in immediate after the providing the model. So now we'll see how to implement that feature in our block in a by using by creating the custom provider. So which is gonna I'm create here. We'll see that now. So here I'm gonna create a custom provider class here. I'm gonna create a stateless widget. We'll name it as a provider. Material. Okay. So I'm gonna give the type as T, which will be extends with the our block base. So we can pass any model here, any block string here, and I'm gonna take a parameter as a function, which will be having the build context. Which will be the create of our screen, and after that we'll be giving the widget. We'll be giving the callback const. We'll name it as a builder. Okay, we'll just pass it in a constructor. So both of them as a required field. Okay, so inside the build we'll be providing the block here. So we'll be passing the type here, and the create already which we have passed here, and for child I'll be creating a separate stateless widget here called provider. So we can just pass the child here with the type and the builder. Okay, so here we are gonna take it builder function here. So just pass this in constructor. Okay, so to pass that time here. So inside the build method, we'll just call the build of the context. So now we'll replace the our custom provider with the old one here. I'll just remove this the provider here. just import the custom provider, just create a block here. This is a user screen block, and the builder is there. So inside the builder, you just put on the layout here. Okay, so yeah, so we have just provided with our custom provider. Now we can able to get the our user block here by using this context. You can easily able to access all those fields which is in a block. You can just read the block here. So yeah, so you can able to use the block here. So you can get the instance of the block which you are providing to our custom provider, and you can able to get the access here, since we have already provided with the provider class, and we'll be passing that context to the user, so user screen. So then you can easily able to access those blocks here. So that's all for the today's video, guys. We'll see you in next video. Stay tuned.